Okay, it's recording. It's recording. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I print my mugs using sublimation method. I'll be testing a new product for the first time. Yes, mugs. I'm very excited to take this step and bring new things to the store. I think it's a fantastic method and something easy to start with, where I can incorporate my illustrations and personalized products. You've probably already heard about this method. For sublimation we need a specific type of ink, and with certain heat temperatures it allows us to transfer our designs on some objects, such as mugs. I already have other products in my mind, so stay tuned for some updates. So let's get started. Okay, let's go ahead and make these mugs with some illustrations that I drew some time ago. I'm using Photoshop and the canvas size varies depending on the mug size. In my case it's a 325mm mug, and you measure the length and the height around the mug. A tip here is to see when you are holding the mug, do a test with the sheet and see where your design aligns and looks good to you when you hold it. Also, remember that in the corners, the length also depends on your sublimation press and how far it can sublimate. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we need a specific sublimation ink, which you can easily find online. The important thing here is that the ink explicitly states that it's suitable for sublimation. What I did was, in a printer like an Epson EcoTank, use this sublimation ink. Note that after using sublimation ink, you cannot use the printer for regular inkjet ink. In other words, don't mix inks. Don't be alarmed if the print looks faded, it's normal to come out that way. Let's cut to size and move on the best part. Finally, sublimating our mugs. In the sublimation press, I'm placing the designs on the mugs and using a heat-resistant tape that you can also easily find online. The temperature I'm using in my case is 180 degrees Celsius for 180 seconds. Important note that the temperature may vary depending on the machine and the object's temperature. A tip here: if you see that the color is too light, increase the time or do a pre-press first and then the final sublimation. Once done, I don't show it here, but I run warm water over the mug to stop cooking and this avoid the blurry effect. And here are our mugs. I ruined a few at the beginning, it's a bit of trial and error, but the result is so beautiful, I really love it. This one is my favorite, a little frog, and the pattern turned out very funny. Here's the pineapple palm mugs, very cute. You can find all of them in my Etsy shop, and also you can find exclusive 10% discount that I'm offering only here on YouTube in the description below. Then go get it. Yay! We have a mug finally with Froggy. And that's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoy it. If you want to follow my small business journey and see some behind the scenes, don't forget to leave a like and comment and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. It really means the world. I will see you in the next video. Stay safe. Bye. Yay.